I am Gandhimati. Now I am going to explain data types and input-output function in C. Basic data types. Data type means which type of data and the size of data variable holds. There are four basic data types available in C: int, float, char, and double. For integer data types, 2 bytes of memory is allocated by the compiler. %d format specifier is used. When we are storing floating values, by the time 4 bytes of memory is allocated by the compiler, %f format specifier is used. When we are storing character values, 1 bytes of memory is allocated by the compiler, %d c format specifier is used. When we are storing double values, by the time 8 bytes of memory is allocated by the compiler, %lf format specifier is used. Float and double data type is used for decimal values. Already we discussed variable. What is variable? Variable is used to store any values. Some of the rules you have to follow to declare a variable. What are all the rules? A variable name is any combination of 1 to 8 alphabets, digits or underscores. The first character must be an alphabet. No commas or blanks are allowed within a variable name. No special symbol other than an underscore can be used in a variable name. Let us see some examples of invalid variable and valid variable. The first example, int 8 amount is equal to 5467. Here int means integer data type, 8 amount is a variable, 5467 is a value. So here 8 amount is an invalid variable because the starting position of this variable is a numeric. So this is called a invalid variable because in rule the first character must be an alphabet. Second, int roll hyphen number is equal to 1234. So here hyphen is used, only special symbol underscore only allowed. So this is a invalid variable. The third, name. Here NA space ME. So here space is not allowed. So this is also called a invalid variable. Next, net and salary, and is not allowed. So this is also called a invalid variable. Roll underscore number average 6. This is called a valid variable. So only the numeric digit is allowed in the end of the variable or middle of the variable. In starting position, the numeric digit is not allowed because the first character must be an alphabet. Next, input-output function in C. What is input? Getting values from the user. What is output? Displaying any message or displaying any values on the screen, that is output. So for input function, scanf function is used. For output, printf function is used. What is the syntax of scanf? Scanf, format specifier and variable. This is the syntax for scanf. For example, here int roll number. So here scanf %d. So here roll number is an integer variable. So we are using %d as a format specifier. Then ampersand variable. Next, printf. The syntax of printf is format specifier variable. In scanf, ampersand is used, but in printf, no ampersand is used. Int marks equal to 86. So the 86 value is stored in the variable mark. Now we are going to display this value 86 on the screen. So printf %d mark. Here 86 is stored in the integer data type. So here we are using %d and then the variable name mark. Now let us practice some basic programs. Double click the Turbo C++ icon. And then click Start Turbo C++. Go to Alt F and then click New. So here only we are going to write the program. The first line is the header file has include lesson symbol stdio.h, then main, opening curly braces. The first program we are going to display one message on the screen. So displaying some message on the screen, which function is used? Printf function. So printf opening bracket, opening double quotation mark, then here I am going to write one sentence. That sentence is, this is our first program. Closing the double quotation, close the bracket, then semicolon. In C program, every statement ended with the semicolon. And then getch function. Getch function is used to display your message on the screen. Closing the curly braces. And then here clear screen. CLR SCR. CLR SCR means clear screen. CLR means clear, SCR means screen, clear screen, clear your screen. So here this is the first header, first line of the every C program. This is a header file. STD means standard, I means input, O means output, H means header file. So what is header file? The list of library functions are stored in that header file. That is the meaning. So now let us go to save the file. How will you save the file? Alt F, then go to save, enter, then give the file name. Your file name is related to your program. So now I am going to give first .c. Every C program you have to store with the .c extension. Give enter. So already first .c is there. For compiling the program, Alt C, enter. No error is there. Only warning message is there. Then Alt R is used to run the program. So this is our output. This is our first program is our output. So next one more program we will see. Go to file, click new. Okay, then include the header file as include stdio.h, then main, then give the clear screen. Now we are going to assign one values. For example, I am going to assign int mark is equal to 89. So here mark is a variable, 89 is a value. So 89 value is stored in that variable mark. Now I am going to display this mark value to this mark value on the screen. So printf mark is the integer data type, so we are using %d as a format specifier mark. Semicolon. Every statement ended with a semicolon. Then getch. Any message we can include it in that place. For example, the value is equal to like that. So save the program. Now I am going to give value .c as the file name. Then compile the program. Alt C for compiling the program. One error is there. What is the error? Declaration is not allowed here. So here the clear screen, we can write the clear screen after the declaration only. So delete this clear screen and write it here. Save the program and then compile the program and then run the program. Okay, sorry, F is missing. Print F. Spelling mistake, printf. Okay, again save the program and then compile the program. No error is there. Then run the program. 89, the value is equal to 89, like that we want the message. So here you have to write this %d after this equal symbol. Then you will get the correct output. Alt C, Alt R. The value is equal to 89. Okay. That's all. Next class we will see the next concept. Until take care. Bye bye.